With the introduction of DNX uncompressed, it's now possible to import, render, transcode, and mix down at uncompressed quality. This allows you to generate media that preserves the full quality of the timeline. This release supports DNX uncompressed 32-bit float in HD and greater than HD raster dimensions. For YCBCR, you'll find DNX uncompressed 422 32-bit float. And for RGB, you'll find the DNX uncompressed 32-bit float option. And with this release, your timeline now gets full floating point processing support. If you're working in 32-bit float, there's a setting in the timeline that will allow you to set the video playback quality accordingly. To set the video quality in the timeline to playback 32-bit float, simply right-click on the video quality menu and select full quality float. Super easy. The introduction to DNX uncompressed has changed the way we work with HD and greater than HD raster dimensions, and now with 32-bit float, things just get even better.